Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can add money to your Venmo account. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So there are various ways on how you can add money to your Venmo account. So I'll be showing you the steps on how you can add money through a bank transfer. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to log in into your Venmo account. So for that, you need to provide either your phone number or email and a password. So once you're logged into your Venmo account, you'll be directed to the home page, and once you're on the home page, you need to click on the try bar icon located in the top right corner, and after that you'll be directed to the settings page, and on this page you need to click on payment methods, and on the other page you need to link a bank account. So for that you need to click on add bank or card, and as you click on it, a drop down menu will appear. So from there you need to click on bank, and as you click on bank, next interface you'll be asked to provide some information regarding your bank, and in order to link your bank account to your Venmo, you need to provide the information. So once you're done providing all of the information, next interface, within 2 to 3 days you'll be receiving a deposit in order to verify your account. So after you receive a verification or a too small deposit, and you need to paste it, and after that you've successfully linked your bank account to your Venmo. So once you're done linking your bank account to your Venmo, and after that once again logged into your account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on the profile icon, and once you tap on the profile icon, you need to tap on transfer and pay, and as you click on it, a drop down menu will appear, and from there you need to tap on add money, and after that you'll be asked to enter the amount that you want to add it to your Venmo account, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on done. Finally, you'll have the confirmation, so make sure to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on add money, and then you'll be notified that the transaction has been completed, and that is how you can add money to your Venmo account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.